Hello friends, welcome to our channel Food Ideas. Today we will make sprouts and beetroot salad. I hope you like it. Take 2 tablespoons sprouts, medium sized tomato cut in small pieces, then medium size of beetroot, you can cut it or shred it as you like. Beetroot is very good source of oxygen and improve our hemoglobin level and immunity power. Take 2 tablespoons coconut shredded or thin slices as you like. Mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Add black salt or other salt as you like. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons lemon juice as per taste. Mix it well. This salad is full of energy. You can take it as full meal in evening or start your day with it. You will love eating this salad. It will increase your energy level. At last, for garnishing this salad, we will use coriander leaves for garnishing it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.